Here we are, ready for some afternoon trading today. NQ, 1 minute chart, $300,000 Apex account loaded and ready to go. Starting it off fresh, we'll see if we can make something out of it. There's the rhythmic snapshot for the start of the session. See if we can get one past. We had a little bit of luck yesterday, and then right at the end we got a little greedy and didn't quite get across the finish line. So let's see if we can do better today. Although, what a move from NQ today. Straight up, basically all day long. A few little pullbacks. Really a great day. Now we got this nice long pullback here. Where do we go from here? Just gonna settle in here and see what she gives us. Really dislike this microphone. Kind of big, right? All right. I think Trump speaks at 3 o'clock, which could make it interesting. So let me double check that. No, 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Get my time zones mixed up. 4 o'clock, so not till the market closes, which is good. All right, we're got a nice little pullback here. As long as we stay below this high right here, I think we'll still be looking for a short. See how it reacts right here. If we push up above that, then we might switch our bias, but for now, see if we can get a break below here. Just kind of pushed up through this consolidation though. Big reaction off this area. This green line was yesterday's high of day, and then we have overnight open, yesterday's close, kind of all in this area. So kind of a lot going on right here. All right, we're up to my yellow line. Bumping up against the top of this consolidation. She is just pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. How high can she go? What do we have? We've got let's see. Yeah, pulling back to about the middle of that range there. It's not really showing any signs of stopping. What a reaction off that level there. Came down here and just shot right back up. check and see where VWAP and all those import lines are at. I'll check my other chart for that though. I don't have it on TradingView, so let's see what we got. Oh, that was VWAP. That was VWAP right there at about the 620s or so. Came right down to VWAP and phew, bounced off of there. A little bit lower and shot up. All right, we're up above. We're into this area here. It'd be really nice to get a little pullback here for a long. Man, just no sign, no exhaustion at all. 100 point bounce right off that low. Wish I had noticed VWAP there. I probably would have jumped on that. Up and up and up and up. I know this is an eval account. Maybe I should just jump into something. But no, we're going to be patient. It's got to pull back, right? It's got to pull back at some point. All right, here we are. Here we go. The last 2 minutes of 15-minute candle here. A little pullback. Maybe we bounce from here and continue back up. Holding below the 700s for now. I really hope we don't just consolidate sideways here until Trump comes out and speaks. Such a nice move. Up and then down. Going straight back up would be just great. Get it. Yeah, I'm gonna give this one a try. Maybe today I'll let it run instead of trying to scout my way to victory like I did yesterday. And give it a little more of a stop. 25 points. What's that? $500 a contract. 5 contracts, $2,500. Got into it a little bit early. The confirmation would have been at the break of that candle there. Haven't quite got that yet. So hopefully getting in early helps us instead of hurts us. All right, there's a little movement. Come on, pop up there. You can do it. You can do it. No, you can't. No, you can't. Yeah, that's a lower high right there. Let's see if this is a trap. Is this a trap? All right, coming back. It's coming back. No. See if we can get really, really lucky. I'm going to give this one a little more room since I have the room in the account. To me, this just looks like a big kind of bull flag channel right here. I don't want to bell on it too early, because if this pops up, it could give us a good run. The stochastic is coming down into this oversold area, which is good for a long. There we go. Alright, well now we're creating a channel where kind of looks like we're selling highs and buying lows right here. I'm gonna buy this low and see if I can buy my way out of this. Alright, are we trapping down here or are we failing down here? What do we think? My stop's not really any place other than just kind of down here a ways. Alright, we have a green bar, which would be sell. I don't know, if we get a little pop up here, I might just jump out of here. Live to fight another day. Yep, see? Green bar, sell. Red bar, buy. Green bar, sell. I mean, we're still respecting this down here, so until we get closed, I mean, until it stops me out, because we've just keep coming down, I guess there's no reason to, just a guess. Do we cut it now and save our drawdown? Well, there's a red bar, so we buy those, right? I think we'll be very lucky if we survive this. I think we'll be very lucky. I mean, this is still channeling though. Still just a little bear channel here. Or a bull channel rather, right? Push up, channeling down. We can rock it out of here. Come on, just push right up there. Let's go. Come on, NQ, give it to me. It's 250. All right, time to go. Time to go. Uh-oh, green bar, which means we sell. Sell back down. No. There we go. Oh, come on, don't stop there. It's just not going anywhere. What can you do? Not really much you can do. Problem is, this is a little like a little baby bear flag right there, so that probably a bad sign for us. We have quite a hole to dig out of if this stops me out. Just keeps wicking off from down here. In 10 contracts, so I can't really give up more room, unfortunately. Yeah, I don't think this is looking good though. All right, here we are down the bottom of this little channel again. Can we get a push up? Been sitting in this since what, right here? There's the stop. It's about there, added there. Now we're about to get stopped out. Stopped out. Well, that's not good. Down $6,000, so we only have $1,500 left. I think. No less than that. Only like $1,000 left. Well, that's no bueno. Take this off. Well then. Guess it wants to come down for a second. See, when this started to kind of do this choppy thing, we got to push down. We were holding this, but not pushing higher. So that's a very bearish look right there. So that should have been the signal to bell on that. Get out early. All right, let's reduce it down to one contract for a second here. See if we can recover a little bit. Come back down to VWAP. VWAP is at 620-ish. Back down to yesterday's high. See if we can push through this guy. We're coming up on 3 o'clock. Boy, it is falling just straight back down there. Straight back down to the overnight open. Yesterday's close. Huge moves. Look at that nice red line bounce. Took us straight up there. 275 points. And we're bouncing again right off of VWAP. Came through VWAP just a little bit, bouncing straight back up. It's also the very first minute of a 15-minute candle right there. It's kind of waiting here. How this plays out. I have $1,000 of drawdown left after that first trade, so one contract. Be a little bit cautious here, but definitely bouncing down at this level. 15-minute chart is just barcoding. Last four, we got a red bar, green bar, red bar, just back to back. Back up above yesterday's high of day. I don't know, three strong green bars in a row. Want to see if it pushes back up to and shows if we get some resistance there at my gold line. And if we do, maybe we take a little bit of a short opportunity off of that. It's really kind of hard to say what direction we're going to head from here until we break either this high or this low. We're just consolidating. Just kind of a waiting game. I mean, right inside of the same like range from earlier. And it's kind of interesting though. We wick down to here, so the low of this candle is 604.75, and the low of this candle is 605.75. So this did not take out this low. So maybe we're headed back down. Everybody's pushing right now. ES is pushing up, and Q's obviously pushing up. Bouncing right here off of VWAP. All right, we're getting a little bit of a reaction here. Okay, let's see what happens here. Do we get a little bit of a bounce lower, or is this just a pause before we continue higher? All right, it looks like just a pause. Before we go up. All right, if we hold up here, I might try one contract and see if we get some movement. Now this candle closes here. I'm not gonna buy the close. I'm gonna wait for a pullback, I think, and then we'll give it a shot. First, I'll do that, and then it'll just rock it up, right? All right. Really shouldn't mark it into that. I really wanted it to be in a little bit lower. But whatever. Should we add another one? Nah, if we break up here, we'll buy it. Purpose of this trade is really just to get us a little more, hopefully a little more cushion in the account. That's not good. Well, that's not good at all. Nope, 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 nope. And she gone. No. No, had more than I thought. There it goes. I was like, I thought I lost it. All right, well, that was that. One bad trade. And our hopes and dreams are crushed. Oh well. We'll try it again tomorrow. We'll see. One of these days we're gonna get it done. What do we want to do now? That is 3:10, so officially power hour. All right, well, I think since the account is gone, that's going to be the end of the day. I'm not gonna, reset it or anything for today. We will wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have... Do we have news tomorrow? Oh, it is the day before NFP, so that could be tricky. We got unemployment claims and PMI in the morning. Then, of course, Friday, big non-farm payroll day. So we shall see. We shall see. Could be interesting days. So we'll be back. All right, well, that was a short one today. We'll retool, reload, and we'll give it another try tomorrow.